Object A has a mass of m and is moving in the positive x direction. It collides with object B, which has a mass of 2m and is initially at rest. After the collision, object B has a final velocity of v in the positive x direction. Which of the following best describes the impulse object B exerts on object A during the collision? Keep in mind that the impulse we want to describe is equivalent to the change in momentum of any of the two objects that are interacting. At least in magnitude, the two must be identical. Therefore, we can find the impulse on object B and apply Newton's third law to determine the impulse on object A. Object B has an impulse equal to its mass, 2m, times the change in velocity, v minus 0. Therefore, its impulse is positive 2mv. Since the impulse on object A must be equal in magnitude and opposite in direction, it must be negative 2mv, which corresponds to option A.